Hello everyone, in this video we will study the different operations performed on data structure. So data structure is the way of storing data in computer's memory so that it can be used easily and efficiently. There are different data structures used for the storage of data. The representation of particular data structure in the main memory of a computer is called as storage structure. For example, array, stack, queue, tree, graph, these are the different data structures we can use and we can perform different operations on that data structure. So in that, the first one is traversing. Traversing a data structure means to visit the element stored in it. So basically, suppose we want to access data stored in the data structure, we can perform this operation. So suppose this is the data structure, that is array, and we want to access these elements. So we will access all the elements. So we can say that we are traversing in the array, that is we are traveling in the array. So this operation is called traversing. So we can perform traversing operation on data structure. The next one is searching. Searching means to find a particular element in the given data structure. It is considered as successful when the required element is found. Searching is the operation which can be performed on data structures like array, linked list, tree, graph, etc. So suppose this is an array and suppose we want to search the element 38 in the list. So we have to find out whether 38 is present in the list or not. So this operation of searching is called searching operation. The next one is insertion. Insertion means to add an element in the given data structure. The operation of insertion is successful when the required element is added to the required data structure. It is unsuccessful in some cases when the size of the data structure is full and when there is no space in the data structure to add any additional element. So suppose this is the array. So here there are 4 elements present right now. So suppose we want to add one more element in the list. So this operation is called insertion. So now at the 5th position we have added one more element, that is 57. So this operation is called insertion operation. The next one is deletion. Deletion means to delete an element in the given data structure. The operation of deletion is successful when the required element is deleted from the data structure. So suppose these are the elements present in the data structure, that is 13, 24, 29, 38 and 57. And suppose we want to delete one element from the data structure. So after deleting, we will get the array 13, 24, 29. Then we have deleted the 4th element and then 57 as it is. So this operation of deleting, or you can say removing the element from the data structure, is called deletion operation. The next one is sorting. arranging data elements of a data structure in a specified order is called sorting. Means suppose there are elements present in the data structure and that are not in proper order. That means suppose they are not in increasing order, or you can say decreasing order. So by performing the operation sorting, we can arrange the elements in the data structure in sorting order. So suppose these are the elements 13, 4, 29, 76 and 57. So if you see, these are not in increasing order. So to make that in increasing order, we can perform the operation, that is sorting operation, and so that we will get the elements in sorting order, that is 4, 13, 29, 57 and 76. The last one, that is merging, combining elements of two similar data structures to form a new data structure of the same type is called merging. Means even we can combine two data structure into a single data structure. So combining the two data structure is called merging operation. So these are the different operations that we can perform on the data structure.